Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by golden sands, Princess Jasmine's magical garden began to lose its enchanting allure. The once vibrant flowers wilted, the melodious birds ceased their songs, and the glittering fountains ran dry, leaving an air of melancholy. Troubled by this mysterious change, Jasmine wandered through what once was her splendid refuge. Her heart ached to see the garden she loved in such despair. One evening, under the shimmery glow of a crescent moon, a tiny fairy fluttered by Jasmine's side. "Dear princess," the fairy began, her voice as light as a whispering breeze, "the source of your garden's magic is a crystal hidden within the mystic cave, deep in the desert. Without it, the garden cannot thrive." Determined to restore her sacred haven, Jasmine prepared for her journey. She knew it would be perilous, but with her loyal tiger Rajah by her side, she felt braver than ever. Packing some essentials, she embarked on her quest at dawn. The desert was vast and unforgiving, its waves of heat testing their endurance. Yet Jasmine and Rajah pressed on, guided by the fairy's gentle light. Upon reaching the heart of the desert, a grand opening to the mystic cave yawned before them. Within the cave, shadows danced on the walls as the pair faced a series of riddles guarding the path to the crystal. "The child of water and sun, where can you find me without touching the ground?" pondered the first riddle. With a playful smile, Jasmine whispered confidently, "Rainbows." Each correct answer door unlocked, drawing them closer. Traps lined their path, but with Rajah's sharp instincts and Jasmine's quick thinking, they maneuvered safely through. Each step brought them not just closer to the crystal, but closer as companions in courage and determination. Finally, arrived at the chamber of the crystal, a guardian spirit appeared, demanding a test of kindness. Jasmine was asked to share a precious memory, something dear to her heart. She recounted the day she, as a young girl, saved an injured bird and lovingly nurtured it back to health. Touched by her sincerity, the spirit granted her passage. Holding the crystal, now sparkling in her hand, Jasmine returned victorious. Back in the kingdom, she placed the crystal in the garden's heart, where it pulsed with magic once more. The flowers bloomed, fountains burst with life, and the birds filled the air with song. Her courage and kindness had not only restored the garden's beauty, but had deepened her bond with Rajah and renewed her love for her wondrous kingdom.